Hello friend, today we discuss conversion Excel file to shapefile. It is very important if you want to work utility network in GPS point feature, landmark and pole, DT, meter and consumers. So it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. So let's start. Here is our Excel file. Here is our Excel file with attributes. Here is attribute, pole attribute, and last here is coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. We respect to xy coordinate, we generate shapefile. So here is our coordinate and Excel file. We open ArcMap and we add data, Excel data. Here is our Excel data. We add it. Here is our Excel support structure. We add data and we right click and go to display xy coordinate. We select here x, we select here y and we select here projection. First we select here word projection WGS 9084, okay and okay. Here is our point and we export it. We write here pole underscore 1 because here is already pole. Save and okay, and we remove other and we check projection. Here is word projection and we change it UTM projection. We symbology it and we change in UTM projection. Go to arc toolbox and go to data management. After data management, go to projection and transformation and project. Double click and select here pole. We select here output coordinate. Go to projected coordinate, UTM projection WGS 9084 northern, and we select here our UTM zone. Here is 43 north. We select here WGS 9084 UTM zone 43, okay, and one projection is change. Zoom to layer. Here is our projected data. We export it. We overwrite pole. Yes, our shape file is completed. It is our final shape file. Our shape file is completed. Here is our shape file. Our shape file is completed. Excel to shape file.